of time to do the assignment. Okay, the assignment is going to go for quiz score, practical score. Yeah, while doing that, I'm going to discuss the result of the test. Okay. Okay, what is the function of a line that passes through origin and coordinate 5.6? Origin is 0.0. Okay, so you can basically use basically use the equation, the formula, which is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So label them first. So let's say this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, so y minus y1, which is 0, minus 0, x minus 0 divided by x2 minus 0 as well, because that's x1. So y1 is okay, so y2 is 6, and then this is 5. Okay, so y minus 0 is y divided by 6 equal x divided by 5. So you move 6 to the right because it's divided in the left. Okay, you have to multiply it in the right. So y equals 6 over 5x. 6 over 5x is equal to 1 and 1 of 5x. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay. Right, so the next one. What is the function of a line that passes through minus 1.5 and 3.9? The same thing with, we can use the same, okay, let me try another way of doing this. Okay, so first you can find the gradient, which is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let's say this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. As I've mentioned before, it doesn't matter which one you labeled as 1 or 2, as long as you put them in the correct position in the formula. So y2 minus y1, 9, minus 5, x2, 3, minus x1, minus 1, so plus 1. Okay, so the gradient is 9 minus 5 is 4 divided by 4, so it's 1. Okay, so m is 1. Okay. M is equal to 1, and then you can use another formula, which is y minus y1, x minus x1. Okay, you can put minus 1 and 5 here, or you can put 3 and 9. It doesn't matter. Okay, so let's say I want to put 3 and 9, 3.9. So y1 is 1, y1 is 9, m is 1, x minus x1 is 3. So y minus 9 equal x minus 3. So y equal x minus 3 plus 9 becomes plus 6. Okay, so that's the result of the second number. Okay, yeah. Number 1 and number 2 is basically the same thing. Okay, you can use the working that I showed you, that I demonstrate you from number 2. You can use the working from number 1. It's all the same. Okay. Okay, state the gradient and the y-intercept of the previous number. Okay, so number 2. M is equal to okay, yeah. So state the gradient. Gradient is 1, and the y-intercept m is equal to 1. Y-intercept is 0.6. Okay, 0.6, because the y is the subject of the function, so this one is basically the y-intersection. Y-intersection, when x is 0, the y is 6, so 1 and 0.6, so it's A. Right, find the equation of line parallel to the equation from number 2. Okay, parallel. So parallel, because of because of that information, then that we can conclude that the m is equal to 1. To equation from number 2 that crosses 7 minus 3, we use the same formula, m times x minus x1. So y plus 3 equal 1 times x minus 7. Okay, y plus 3, yeah, because minus 3, so it becomes plus. So y plus 3 equal x minus 7, y equal x minus 10. Okay, so that's number 4. Last one, number 5, find the equation that is of a line perpendicular to the equation from number 2. So m1 times m2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, m1 was 1. Okay, from number 2, yeah, from number 2, m is equal to 1. So m1 is 1. So you have to find the gradient that is perpendicular to the first equation. Yeah, so m2 is equal minus 1 divided by 1 becomes minus 1. So again, with the same formula, y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Y minus y1, 0.9, right? So y minus 9 equal minus 1 times x minus 0. Okay, so y equal minus 9 equal minus x times 0 is x, so minus x. So y equal minus x plus 9. So D is the answer. Okay, yeah. So that's the discussion of the previous test. Okay. Not all of you got the ideal score, but I guess that's a part of the learning curve. I know there's a lot of concept here, gradient, y-intersect, x-intersect, but again, the goal of the lesson is to understand how do you convert, how do you visualize equations, how do you visualize functions, how do you visualize formulas, and then there's a lot of elements that is going to help you to understand formulas in a visual way, and also it's going to help you to understand another topic that we call statistics. Okay, so this is the basic of statistics. However, statistics is not very theoretical because it is very practical, it is very data driven. Yeah, but then again, these are the basic of statistics and looking through a relationship between variables. Okay, so yeah, that's the conclusion of the lesson. So I hope that you can improve yourself more in this area. Okay.